I go on, peeps. I'm at the beach, buying me some fish. Just bought me 3 red snapper fish from this nice gentleman here. What's your name, boss? Yeah. Screechy. Screechy's cleaning the fish for me. Yeah, man. All right. Getting ready to go steam or fry it. I'm at the Fisherman Beach in Trelawney. Falmouth, Trelawney. We're steaming some fish today. Have a nice day. Just relax. Got to do some studying. I'll probably go check out the farm tomorrow. Yeah, man. Everything good. Fish almost ready. Put it in some bags. A conch over here. Everything's conch. Shellfish. Yeah, man. Later.